Hello, hello, hello. How you doing today? Today is Friday. Yes, the last day of the week. So pay attention. Today we are going to talk about natural sciences. Take a look at the video. Check what we are going to study today. See you in a few minutes. Hello, everybody. Let's work. Today we are going to talk about our natural sciences book. But first, guys, let's talk about birds. We are going to talk about the birds. Vamos falar sobre os birds. Vamos ver quais características que eles têm, okay? So, pay attention to the explanation. Okay, kids, look. The birds, they are oviparous. Let's repeat. They are oviparous. Very good. Remember, oviparous, they are born from eggs. Ok, very good. Alright, eles nascem dos ovos, por isso eles são chamados de oviparous. Let's follow. Let's see. Let's go to the sequence. Guys, birds have two legs. Look, they have two legs. Eles têm duas perninhas. Oh, look, it's running. Tá correndo. Very funny. Let's repeat, everybody. They have two legs. All right, very good. Once again, let's repeat. They have two legs. That's perfect. Yes, birds, they are oviparous, they have two legs. And now, let's talk about another characteristic. They have feathers. Let's repeat, everybody. They have feathers. All right, nós já vimos isso, né? Que todos esses birds têm feathers. All right, guys, very good. Eles precisam das feathers para ajudar eles a voarem, né? Nas asinhas deles. Very good. Let's repeat. They have feathers. All right, that's a beautiful feather. All right, look, they can fly. All right, guys, let's repeat. They can fly. That's great. Eles podem voar, guys. Ó, vamos dar uma olhada como é que faz. Very good. They can fly. Repeat. They can fly. That's great. All right, let's get our book Natural Sciences and open it on page 18. It's about birds. Let's go. Book Natural Sciences, page 18. This is the moment that you can pause your video to get your book. All right, kids. Number one, read and stick. Nós vamos ler e colar o adesivo de acordo com o que está escrito aí. Olha o primeiro quadrinho. Birds are oviparous. Second square, birds have two legs. Birds have feathers. Birds can fly. Nós já estudamos. Vamos colar? This is the moment that you can pause the video to do the activity. All right, let's check. Look, the first one, birds are oviparous. The second, birds have two legs. Then, birds have feathers. And the last one, birds can fly. That's amazing! You did very well with the stickers. Parabéns! E vocês fizeram muito bem com os stickers. Vamos para o próximo activity. Let's go to number two. So, let's go to number two. Pay attention what you have to do. Circle five birds. Nós vamos circular five, somente five birds, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do it. This is the moment that you can pause the video to do the activity. All right, very good, guys. Let's check. Let's see if it's correct. So, take a look. Let's check if you did it correctly. Ta-da! We are going to see it. Okay, we have a bird here. The duck is a bird again. A chicken is a bird. A parrot is a bird. A penguin is a bird. Very good, guys. All right, you did very well. I love when you do it correctly. Eu amo quando vocês fazem tudo certinho. Congratulations! So let's move on. Now you're going to pay attention to the sentence, listen and repeat after me, okay? Vamos prestar atenção. Repete com o teacher. Birds are oviparous. Birds can fly. These are characteristics of birds. Essas são características de um bird. Para ser bird, ele precisa ser um ovíparo e ele pode e he can fly, okay? Let's repeat again. Birds are oviparous. Birds can fly.
That's it. You did very well. Thank you so much for studying the birds with me. See ya. Bye bye.
Wow, it's Friday! Tomorrow we don't have class. We are going to relax, have some ice cream, go out and have some fun. Have fun with your parents, have fun with your friends, with your cousins. That's incredible! Weekend is here! Guys, see you on Monday. Bye bye! Whoop.